Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting Descript ready and your source audio in place. Open your project, confirm Overdub is enabled in Account Overdub, and either load an existing voice model or create a short one now. Once done, import or record the clip you want to fix and select the exact region to replace. Make sure the transcript matches the audio. Accurate text is how Overdub knows what to synthesize, so correct any glaring transcript errors before moving on. With the region selected, type the corrected words directly in the transcript. Overdub converts that text into audio. Next, pick the appropriate Overdub voice from the voice menu and generate a short preview. This helps you judge tone and pacing. Once satisfied, insert the generated audio into the timeline, and then fine-tune timing by dragging clip edges or edit text to insert pauses and commas. This step-by-step control makes the synthetic voice align naturally with the rest of your recording. Finish by blending the Overdub clip into the mix so it sounds natural. You'll use clip gain, EQ, and a de-esser to match the original voice's volume and brightness, and add short crossfades to remove clicks. Once done, listen through speakers and headphones to confirm consistency. If something sounds off, regenerate only the problematic phrase or adjust punctuation and pauses in the transcript to fix timing. A quick tip: small edits and regenerations beat large rewrites when fine-tuning the result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.